Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will start our vocabulary classes. The first topic is taste and flavor. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we'll see a part of tongue and in which part we see which taste. So in the tip of the tongue, the sweet receptors are there. Means these receptors taste only sweet things, and in the right side and in the left side and upper side of the sweet, you can see two parts in blue color. One is in right side and one is left side. These parts are called sour area. Means in this area we feel sour taste. But these blue colors, you can see here the blue color, does this color exist in real? No, this is imaginary to see which part contains which taste. So the next is salty. You can see here salty and here also salty. These are two parts where we taste salty food. The next is bitter. You can see in the last part, when you swallow a thing, you feel bitter taste. Yes, because in the last part the bitter receptors are there. If the food is bitter, then if you only taste from a tip, it doesn't feel bitter. But if you swallow it, a bitter gourd you are eating, and when you swallow it, then the bitter gourd taste bitter. And let me give you all the names in Hindi also. Sweet is called meetha, sour is called khatta, salty is called namkeen, and the bitter part, you can see here clearly, a bitter part is called kadwa. So one part is left. Which part? That is umami. You can see in the center, here is umami. The umami is called flavorous taste. But if you like spicy dish, so it will not be umami, it will be only spicy dish. Mainly umami is used for cheese, mayonnaise, and these are the examples of umami taste. Okay, let's see the examples of sweet. You can see here sugar, honey, and candies. These are all sweet examples. You can see here sour. Sour means khatta in Hindi, and some examples are lemons, limes. Let's come to the next. The next is salty. Salty have many parts, like one is salty, one is over salty, and the third is briny. Salty, if you have a bowl of soup, it is not that much big, it is a small bowl of soup, and you have added 1 spoon of salt, it will become salty. If you added 2 spoons of salt, it will become over salty. And if you add 3 or 4 spoons of salt, it will become briny. So the next is bitter. You can see examples: coffee beans, bitter gourd, and chocolate or cocoa powder. So we eat chocolate, but that is sweet. Why? And in this chart you can see cocoa powder or chocolates in the bitter area. Why it could be in the sweet part? It is because if a chocolate contains 90% of cocoa, then that chocolate will be bitter, because cocoa powder is a bitter thing. And the chocolates you eat, that contains many ingredients like milk, sugar, etc. So that's why the candies are also some candies are also made of chocolates. These are called bitter, and bitter means kadwa, and umami I have already explained. So let's come to the next. Next is insipid food. What is insipid food? All it you have a pasta and you are boiling the pasta and you forget to add salt to it, and after the pasta is cooked, then you will taste it. After tasting, you feel that it is insipid. Why insipid? Insipid means fika or tasteless. In Hindi we call it fika. You can also call it flavorless, tasteless. Why? Because it doesn't contain salt. And sometimes insipid is used for fruit, but mostly for fruit, vegetable. Astringent is used, and the insipid is used for foods or food dishes. So the next is stringent. You might think stringent and astringent. These look similar, but these have another meaning. Like here is astringent and here is stringent, and the both meanings are different. Stringent and pungent are same because their meaning is having a strong and sharp taste or smell. Like vinegar, when you smell vinegar it have a sharp and strong smell, and in Hindi you will call it tikhi gandh. Okay, and soya sauce is also an example. So these are called stringent and pungent. The next is astringent. The examples of astringent is apple, banana, but mostly green banana, cranberries, and pomegranate. These are the examples of astringent because they tasteless food. Yes, if you eat a green banana, it will be tasteless. Astringent means in Hindi fika or tasteless. So the next is tart. Tart means also khatta and sour means also khatta. Examples of tart is lemon, and it means it tastes like sharp acid. Lemon is having acids, So let's see the next. The next is hot and spicy. Hot and spicy means tikha in Hindi. Some examples are chili, pepper, or cloves, ginger. These are some examples. And if you are eating a dish which contains too much chili pepper, then it will become spicy. You can see here. So let's come to the next. The next is saline. Saline is over salty. Saline means over salty, but it only used for liquid. If you have seen seawater, here you can see, and that tastes saline. Why? Because it contains water and too much amount of salt. And if you are trying to taste saline water, so take a glass and pour it some 4 or 5 spoons of salt, then it will become saline. So these are examples of saline. So all this for today. Thank you guys to see my video till end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Little Home Tutor.